Start off with single brick stitch. You want to grab 2 beads and you're going to come in 2 loops over. You just slide your needle under the loop and you want to string back up through your second bead, down your first bead, and then back up that second bead. And for the rest of the row, you're just going to do 1 bead at a time. I like to make it pretty tight, not overly tight because you want some of that flexibility for weaving back through later. So 1 bead under the loop and then back up through that bead, and you just do that all the way across. Last bead of the row, it's the same drill. Next row is double brick stitch, so I'm picking up 4 beads. I'm going to come 2 loops over, put my needle through. Take your needle, go up through your last 2 beads. Down through your first 2 beads. And then back up the last 2. And for the rest of the row, it's just 2 beads at a time. Pick up 2, go through the next loop, and then back up through your beads. Doing a row of single brick stitch again, so you grab 2 beads, go through the second loop, you go up your second bead and back down your first bead and up your second bead again. This helps your beads lay flat and gives it a little extra stability at the edge of your beadwork. The rest of this row is just 1 bead at a time. You go through the loop and then you go back up the bead. Another row of double brick stitch, so you pick up 4 beads, 2 loops in. You want to go back up your last 2 beads, down the first 2 beads, and back up your last 2 beads. The rest of the row is just 2 beads at a time. One loop in, bring your needle through, and then go back up your beads.